When we run tech companies, this is what we're aiming for. This is the dream. A working product supporting customers and supporting our business. We know what needs to be built, we know who's going to build it, and we know how long it's going to take to get there. But of course, at some point, all of this was just an idea in somebody's head. The end product was once an idea. So how do you get from that idea to a functional product that can support a business? Whether you're a tech product company or a non-tech company that's building tech products for the first time, how do you go from A to Z? This video is all about that process, and it's called the Software Development Lifecycle. The software development lifecycle is made up of 7 phases. Let's go through them. Phase 1 is the business case. Here, product owners and business analysts work together to make a case for building a product. Cases are normally judged on their return on investment, or ROI. If there's a high return on investment, it's a strong case. A low return on investment, and it's unlikely to get built. Just a quick note at this point, if you're a smaller company or a startup, it's likely that one person is going to do all of these roles throughout the software development lifecycle. Next, the idea needs a lot more definition. What exactly will it do, and what won't it do? This is the requirements stage. Here, business analysts and domain experts specify in a lot of detail exactly how the product will work. So now we've got a list of requirements specifying what the product does, we can design how it will work. Designers and technical architects design the system. That's the user experience, also how it looks, and how the web stack will service client requests. Once we've got a design for the system, it's time to develop it. Here, software developers build the system. Okay, we've got a fully functional system, we can now test it. Testers and quality assurance or QA engineers can test the system. And the point of the test step is to verify that the developed system meets the initial requirements. So now we've got a tested, validated system, it's time to deploy it. At this point, release managers deploy or release the system. And this involves moving the system from a local or staging environment into production. Finally, there's maintenance. Here, administrators and support maintain the system. Administrators make sure everything keeps running, and third-line support works with customers to ensure the product is succeeding for them. So that's the basic process. To recap, a business case is fleshed out into requirements. The requirements are interpreted into a design, and this is then developed into a working system, which is tested to make sure everything works, before being deployed back to production. After that, it's up to maintenance to keep things running.